Hi students, hope all are fine and safe at your home. In the last class, we have discussed three terms of chapter 5: web browser, search engine and keyword. By studying this chapter, students are able to understand the basics of internet. And today we are going to discuss two more topics: how to collect the pictures from the internet and how to save an image to your computer from internet. So today we are going to discuss these much topics. So already we have discussed these three topics: web browser, search engine and keyword. So I am repeating again these topics, a quick revision, and then we will discuss today's topic: collect pictures from internet, how to collect pictures from internet and how to save images from internet. So you all are familiar with these terms, these activities and all. Okay, so let us study each topic one by one. First topic: the definition of web browser. So in the last class we have studied web browser is a software. It is a software. What is its use? It is used to search information and pictures. It is used for searching pictures and information. And how we are getting those information? We are getting those information in the form of pages, and those pages are known as web pages. Okay, so don't by heart. It is a software. What is its use? Used for searching information and pictures. Whatever information, all the information can be searched using this browser. And how we are getting those information? We are getting those information in the form of pages, and those pages are known as web pages. And we have discussed the examples: Google Chrome, which is very familiar to us. Mozilla Firefox is another example of web browser. Microsoft Edge is also another example of web browser. Okay, so in your textbook you can't find this definition. You will be having another definition. Okay, so that is little difficult. So please study this definition for your exam and also the examples. Okay, my dear students. Okay, now let us move to the next topic: how to open web browser. Okay, so the first step is go to application. Second step, you have to select internet, and third step, you have to click on Firefox. Okay, so how to open a web browser in Ubuntu. Okay, so you have to go to, at the top left corner you can see applications, and here you can see an option called internet, and inside internet you can see the web browsers. The most familiar one for us is Firefox. Okay, Mozilla Firefox. Click on that, then you can get a web browser, and you can search pictures or keywords, whatever you like. So this is how we are opening a web browser in Ubuntu. Now let us move to the next topic: definition of search engine. So this also we have discussed in the last class, the examples. You can study this definition. Okay, search engines are certain systems on the internet which help us to search information and pictures. So the search engine is also having the same purpose. What is the same purpose? To search information and pictures. So you will be having a confusion that so what is this web browser and what is the search engine? Both are same. Okay, but both are using for same, but web browser is a software. Okay, it is a software like Google Chrome and all. We will get those apps, but search engine is not a software. Okay, it is coming inside web browser software. I repeat, what is the difference between web browser and search engine? Web browser is a software. Okay, but search engine is not a software. It is coming inside web browser software. Okay, and both this web browser and search engine are using for same purpose. What is that? To search information and pictures. Okay, my dear students, so hope all are clear about the concept and difference of web browser and search engine. And you are also familiar with the examples of search engine. Google search engine is there, Yahoo search engine is there, Bing, and there is a search engine known as MSN. You may not be familiar, but there are so many search engines. You may be familiar with these two, Google and Yahoo. And the another example is DuckDuckGo and all. So please study these 5 examples, the name of 5 search engines. Okay, my dear students. So let us move to the next topic, keyword. The definition of keyword. Okay, so keyword also we have discussed in the last class. What do you mean by keyword? Yes, if you want to know detail of, for example, if you want to know the detail of camel, what you will type in the search box? Yes, you will type the word camel, and though that word is known as keyword. Suppose if you want to know the detail of desert, what you will type in the search box? Yes, desert. So that desert is a keyword. So the definition is, in your textbook it is given, keyword is a word. It is just a word. What is its use? Which is related to the information we seek. So നമുക്ക് എന്ത് ഇൻഫോർമേഷൻ ആണോ വേണ്ടത് അതിനെക്കുറിച്ച് നമ്മൾ സെർച്ച് ചെയ്യാനായിട്ട് ഒരു വേർഡ് ടൈപ്പ് ചെയ്യുക. ആ വേർഡിനെയാണ് കീവേഡ് എന്ന് ഉദ്ദേശിക്കുന്നത്. ഇപ്പോൾ എനിക്ക് ഡെസേർട്ടിനെ കുറിച്ച് അറിയണം എന്നുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ ഞാൻ എന്താണ് സെർച്ച് ബോക്സിൽ ടൈപ്പ് ചെയ്യുക? ഡെസേർട്ട് എന്നാണ് ടൈപ്പ് ചെയ്യുക. അപ്പോൾ ആ ഡെസേർട്ട് എന്ന് പറയുന്ന വേർഡിനെയാണ് കീവേഡ് എന്ന് പറയുന്നത്. അപ്പോൾ നമുക്ക് എന്ത് ഇൻഫോർമേഷൻ ആണോ ആവശ്യമുള്ളത്, അപ്പോൾ ആ ആവശ്യമുള്ള ഇൻഫോർമേഷന് വേണ്ടിയിട്ട് നമ്മൾ സെർച്ച് ബോക്സിൽ ഒരു വേർഡ് ടൈപ്പ് ചെയ്യും. ആ വേർഡിനെയാണ് കീവേഡ് എന്ന് പറയുന്നത്. ഓക്കെ, സോ കീവേഡ് ഈസ് എ വേർഡ് and that word is related to what? Related to the information we seek. seek എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ എന്താണ്? നമുക്ക് ആവശ്യമുള്ള ഇൻഫോർമേഷൻ. ഓക്കെ, നമ്മൾ തേടുന്ന ഇൻഫോർമേഷൻ. ഓക്കെ, നമ്മൾ സെർച്ച് ചെയ്യുന്ന ഇൻഫോർമേഷൻ. So hope this is also clear for you. So these 3 topics we have already discussed in the last class. Now let us move to the next topic, how to collect pictures from internet. So I have written the steps here. We will move each step one by one. So first you have to open a web browser. So how to open? First you have to go to application, then internet, then Firefox. What is the second step? Type the keyword in the search box. So I'll show you the search box in Firefox. So this is Firefox web browser. The top one is known as address bar. This one is address bar. Okay, this one, and this one is your search engine. This one is your search engine. Okay, and this is Google search engine. Google search engine. So here you can see a search box. Click here and type polar bear. Okay, and what is the next step? Press enter key on keyboard. So I'm going to press the enter key on keyboard. Okay, now you can see so many pictures, so many informations here, so many website. What is the next step? To search for images, what you have to do, click on images icon at the top right corner. Okay, or you can see in some of the versions it will be here. Okay, you can see here images tab. Can you see here images? You just correct it, click on the images icon, that's enough. Okay, delete this. To search for images, click on images icon. Okay, so you can see here images icon here. Can you see here? Click here. Now you can see so many images related to polar bear. Is it clear how to search for an image or how to collect pictures from internet? Okay, so what we have done, first we have go to application, internet, and click on Firefox. Second, type the keyword in the search box. What is the keyword here? I had typed, yes, polar bear, and then press the enter key and you have to click on images icon. Okay, then you can see the pictures. So hope all are clear about this topic. And what is the last topic? Save an image from internet. So again there are 4 steps, so we'll do each step one by one. So what is the first step? Click on the image that we need. So I'm going to click here. Suppose I need this image, the first one. Okay, I will select the first one. Click on that image. Then it will be enlarged like this. Okay, what is the second step? Right click on the image, and what you have to select, step 3, click on the option save image as. So right click on the image and you can see an option called save image as. Can you see here save image as? Click on that. Now you can choose any folder to save. You can choose any folder. I am going to save it on desktop, and you can give a name, polar bear, that's up to you, no problem, and click on save button. Now the image is saved. Okay, so I repeat, click on the image which you need, left click, then it will be enlarged. right click on the image and you have to click on the option save image as. Okay, then a window will be open like this. You can choose any folder and you give a name and click on save button. Then the picture will be saved on your computer. Okay, so click on the image, then right click, then choose the option save images and choose a folder to save the image. Okay, so hope all are clear about the topics which we have discussed in today's class. So today we have studied what is a web browser, how to open web browser, search engine, keyword, and also we have studied the examples of web browser, search engine and keyword. And also we have studied how to collect the pictures from internet. And finally we have studied how to save images from internet. So please write down the notes in your notebook as homework.